How to sell products or service on Amazon. Subscribe to the channel and don't miss out any video on how you can make money online. Here's how to sell on Amazon in just 5 simple steps. 1. Conduct market research. Before you begin selling on Amazon, you must check the restricted products list. Some categories, like jewelry or DVDs, require approval before listing, whereas some products are restricted completely. Restricted products are usually federally regulated. To narrow down a potential product, consider looking at private labeling a successful product. This just means the manufacturer adds your company label to an existing product. Look at what products are popular and trending. After deciding on a product or niche of products, look at the top listings for what you want to sell. Is there a lot of competition? If the competition all offer prime shipping, use FBA and have lots of 4.5 and 5-star reviews, it may be challenging to compete. 2. Set up seller account. To set up a seller account, you must have the following details on hand: bank account number and routing number, credit card, government-issued national ID, such as a driver's license, tax information, phone number. After you've gathered those details, navigate to Seller Central and choose a selling plan. The individual selling plan is best for those who sell less than 40 units per month. Think of it as a pay-as-you-go plan because it's just 99 cents per sale. 3. Add products. There are 2 ways to add products: use an existing listing of an identical product or create a new listing. If you're the only seller for a particular product, you must use a new listing. A listing includes the following details: product identifier, GTIN, UPC, ISBN or ISBN. SKU, stock keeping unit. Price, product condition, available quantity and shipping choices. Product name, brand, category, description and images. Keywords and search terms. 4. Attract customers. With the enormous amount of Amazon listings, yours must stand out. The best practices to attract customers involve pricing, shipping and advertising. Set competitive pricing. Amazon has built-in seller tools that automatically reprice your listing to an optimized price based on parameters you set. This way, you're still making a profit. It also has bulk pricing to attract Amazon business customers. Ship fast. If you don't use Amazon Prime shipping, the next best thing is to make sure you ship your products quickly when you use FBM. Advertise with sponsored listings. When you turn your listing into a sponsored listing, it appears on product pages and in search results. 5. Get reviews. Ask for a review, but don't offer compensation, free product, refunds or discounts for doing so. Sign up for Amazon's early reviewer program, which provides an incentive to reviewers for providing authentic reviews. While the steps to sell on Amazon are relatively simple, success takes selecting the right products and carefully optimizing your listings. Even after seeing success, keeping ahead requires constant maintenance. Don't forget to like and subscribe to the channel for your support.